Meet EDI Ed, Senior Integration Specialist, 18 years on the team. He has a beige cubicle, a beige sweater, and 3 monitors arranged in a way nobody has dared question since the Obama administration. A coffee mug that says NCX 12 or die, and a job description that has, over these 18 years, been the same single sentence. Keep the EDI links up. Not loosely up, provably up, with ACK codes, every transaction. And every transaction when a partner asks to move to the REST API, when the product asks why integrations take 90 days, when the new CTO asks what AS2 even is, it has the same answer. That's how we do it here. Here's how it goes. A new 3PL signs the contract. Sales tells Ed to integrate them by Friday. Ed schedules the kickoff. Ed sends the kickoff deck. The kickoff deck is 41 slides. 41 slides about AS2 certificates, segment terminators, ISA control numbers, and the difference between an 856 and a 945. The 3PL says, hey, we have a REST API. Can we just hit it? Ed says, I'll take that into consideration. And of course, he does not take it into consideration. The 3PL gets an SFTP folder, an AS2 partner profile, and a certificate that expire in 9 months. The clock starts. The 3PL's engineers go quiet. Ed updates his project plan. Now the magic happens. Week 3, the 3PL's first 856 fails validation. The 850 it's responding to had a malformed in one segment that no other partner has ever flagged. Ed said, it's the 3PL's mapper. The 3PL says, it's the spec. Both are right. Week 4, the 3PL hires a consultant. The consultant has done EDI for 20 years. The consultant agrees with Ed. The consultant bills the 3PL $14,000. The 3PL passes the cost back through the rate. The customer is, technically, this company. Week 8, the integration is live. Inventory updates are batched twice a day. Product asks why the customer-facing inventory page lags by 12 hours. Ed says, it's working as designed. Ed is in another meeting. Ed is teaching the new hire about ISA segments. By month 4, 2 competing 3PLs have walked away from contracts citing integration times. The CFO is staring at a closed one number down 19% against a flat forecast and asking why every deal is taking 2 quarters to onboard. Customer success is fielding tickets that all end with the words, still batched. And Ed has prepared a roadmap. The roadmap is titled EDI Modernization Initiative, Phase 1. Upgrade certificates. Phase 2. Standardize the trading partner profile. Phase 3. Evaluate REST as future option. Nobody asks where the timeline is. Nobody asks because they know. The CTO nods. The roadmap gets archived. The next partner kickoff is already on Ed's calendar. The deck is, give or take, 41 slides. Here's the thing about Ed. Ed is not stupid. Ed has 18 years of integration scars. Ed can debug an AS2 handshake by reading the raw MIME. Ed knows what an interchange envelope is, what a functional acknowledgement is, and why the difference matters at 3 in the morning when a Fortune 100 retailer's POs are bouncing. The problem is not Ed. The problem is that Ed's deep expertise is exactly the thing that makes Ed the only person who can do it. The longer the spec takes, the harder it is to swap him out. The more arcane the protocol, the more secure Ed's chair. Modernizing the stack would mechanically reduce Ed's surface area inside the company. Ed has the keys. The keys don't fit modern locks. And nobody else has been allowed to learn the locksmith trade. This is not an Ed problem. This is a system problem. And every integration team that lets one engineer on the moat has an Ed. Public companies have committees of Eds. The board calls it institutional knowledge. You can replace Ed. You will not get a new Ed. You will get a 6-month backlog, 3 failed onboardings, and a consulting bill that exceeds Ed's annual comp. The protocol will stay. The 41 slide deck will get longer. Or you can build the integration layer once, expose it as an API, and let any partner onboard themselves in a week. Let the protocol be a translation problem, not a priesthood. Let Ed get to mentor the team that does the work. CerebroChain, supply chain done right.